Hey everyone, it's Chad here coming to you with a quick update. In the car driving home. Been away on business for a few days, but I did receive the Starlink equipment yesterday. It's been sitting inside, still in the box, so tonight I'll actually be able to do an unboxing video for you and check out the materials and equipment and look at the installation, get that hooked up, hopefully do a quick review and performance test, speed test, and see how the system works and let everybody see exactly from start to finish what it's like right out of the box. So make sure you're subscribed so you get notifications. Videos will be coming tonight, actual videos of the system, and more than just talk. So we can all share in the excitement of this new groundbreaking technology. I'm just checking in with you, so be ready, be on the lookout, and more to come. Thanks.